Have you ever wondered why a skincare product is not showing the result that you are expecting? Then this video is your answer. Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ganga and I create content regarding beauty, DIY, product review and pregnancy care. If you are interested, please consider subscribing and join my family. So these days, before buying skincare products, we go Google about it, we see the YouTube videos, we read all reviews and buy that product. Even after doing all that, most of the time the skincare product will not show the result that we wanted, right? I know how upsetting and irritating it is. I have been in that place. Do you know the reason for the product for not showing the result? I will tell you now. There are two main reasons why a skincare product is not working the way you wanted. The first reason is not layering the skincare product the right way. I will explain it, okay? And the second reason is mixing your skincare product the wrong way. So let's talk about the first point now. So what are the steps I'm going to tell you orally? At the end of the video, I'll be showing a demonstration. So watch the video till the end to get a clear picture, okay? So let's start now. So I'll be keep looking at this see. So what is called as layering a skincare products? For example, there will be different steps involved, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3. If you are mixing a step 3 with step 1, the product will not work, okay? More the benefit, it's going to harm your skin. So that is the main thing. And the main rule in skincare layering is always apply the lightest product at the first and go with the heaviest, okay? So I will show you the demonstration at the end. Please watch it. So the first step in skincare layering is face wash or using a right cleanser. What is that right cleanser or right face wash means? If you have makeup, first thing you have to remove your makeup, okay? So let's start with washing your face. If you have dry skin, go for hydrating face wash. If you have oily skin, go for mattifying face wash. If you have combination skin like me, you can experiment with anything, okay? So this is the main thing. Always use a right face wash according to your skin type. So this is the first step. So let's talk about the second step. So second step is using your toner and your essence. Toner, most important thing in your skincare layering, okay? I have missed toning, all my early 20s. I regret very badly, okay? Seriously, after started using a toner in my regular skincare routine, I'm seeing so much of difference in my skin clarity and skin quality, to be honest. So second step is using a toner and essence. For example, what is essence? Recently there is one bomb product which I'm loving it so much. That is a L'Oreal Revital Lift essence, right? That is called as watery consistent. That is not serum, that is essence. So you have to use your toner and you can use the essence in the second step, okay? So let's talk about the third step. According to me, eye cream is very important. Many people think it's too much, okay? But I need extra care, so you need an eye cream. And there is a right way to apply eye cream. So I will be demonstrating in the last, so keep watching, okay? So fourth step is using your serum. Here is where people get really confused with serum and facial oil. The fourth step is going to be a serum, guys. So serum, always supposed to be, put it in your hand and tap it, tap, okay? And another thing, always use a little amount of serum. We always have a thought that using too much of product will give more benefit. No, you need just few drops of serum and always tap. If you're going to rub it, sorry, your product is not going to work. The fifth step is moisturizer or night cream. You can use anything. No, let it be dry skin, oily skin, or whatever skin type is, you need a moisturizer. That is always a thought. If you have oily skin, you can skip moisturizer. Never. I will tell you why. We have applied face wash, we have done eye cream, we have applied toner, serum, everything, right? All these products are being sealed and underlocked by moisturizer. So you need moisturizer for all the products to work, okay? If you're missing moisturizer, all these products are going to evaporate soon. So you need moisturizer for all these products to be locked and sealed. So moisturizer is much important. So 6th skincare layering is facial oil. Why facial oil the 6th step? Because as we mentioned at the beginning, the main rule is always start with the lightest and yet with the heaviest. So heaviest is oil. So oil can penetrate through your moisturizer, your toner, your serum, but none of the other products can penetrate through oil. So oil has to be the 6th step. Okay, facial oil is very, very, very important if you have dry skin. It's going to work like magic. You know what? Oily skin people age little later. Okay, it will take some time because your face is always oily and it's hydrating, but dry skin people, they will get that stretchy feeling, right? So we tend to age faster. So using a facial oil will always keep your face supple. So facial oil is very, very important if you have dry and combination skin. If you have oily skin and you still want to use facial oil, then try to use rosehip oil, jojoba oil. These both are very good for oily skin and acne prone skin. If you have dry, irritated skin, marula oil and aloe oil going to do lot of good benefits, going to calm and soothe your skin, guys. So our last step in skincare layering is sunscreen. So this will be a last step where if you are stepping out in the daytime. So nighttime, of course, you don't need a sunscreen. But if you're stepping out of your house, you definitely need a sunscreen. Okay, minimum of SPF 30. Sunscreen is going to help you from aging, from all that skin issue. Okay, so sunscreen is a must and the last step in skincare layering. So now that we are done with the oral part, now we're going to get into the demonstration. So let's go. So I'm done washing my face. So the second step is toner. I'm using Good Vibes toner. It's my favorite, okay. And I always like toner with spray. You can even use your cotton pad, but I like it with the spray. So when your toner is little wet, you can use your essence or you can skip essence. It's your wish. So I'm using this L'Oreal's Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. So next step is using an eye cream. So I'm using MK Fine Naked and Raw Coffee Under Eye Cream. This is my second tub, most favorite. Very lightweight. So as I said, there is a way to apply your eye cream. I will show you. First apply around the eye area and take this finger, okay, ring finger, and do it anti-clockwise, not clockwise, anti-clockwise. If there is wrinkle, any puffiness, it will remove it, okay. Always anti-clockwise. Yeah, gently, very gentle, don't give much pressure. If you want my review in brief about this eye cream, please let me know, okay? So yeah, eye cream we are done. So next comes our serum. So I'm going to use Saint Botanica's hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C and E. So I've taken a 30 days challenge with the serum and I'm using it. If you want to know my review again, please let me know. 2-3 pump maximum serum this way. This is a way to apply a serum. Don't rub, don't do this, just tap it. Sounds like men's salon, right? So our next step is our moisturizer or your night cream. So I'm going to use this Tawak Aloe Vera and Grape Seed Skin Brightening Gel. Beautiful moisturizer, you guys. It's a gel in consistency, yes. Grape seed and aloe vera both are very good ingredients for, skin. So this is what I do with my moisturizer. So next and final step is using a facial oil. So I'm going to use this plum, grapeseed and sea buckthorn glow restore facial oil. Beautiful facial oil, you guys. If you want to buy a facial oil, without doubt you can just buy this. See, I'm going to finish it off. Actually, this is my third bottle. Very nice facial oil. We have or not, I don't know. So facial oil should be the last step because they're thick in consistency. If you miss this step with your third step, no, it's not going to work. So thank you so much guys for staying till the end. I hope this video was really informative. Share this video with all your friends who have that irritation why my product is not working. Send this video to them. Let them also get benefited. I'll catch you in another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay gorgeous, stay happy. Bye bye.